take your shoes off so I can smell your feet? How are you? You look lovely. Do you like Skittles? Do you like Skittles? Okay. And what do you like, Skittles or Snickers? Snickers. Okay, there you go. You're welcome. Oh, you guys are so sweet. I miss you. When are you going to come over and see me again? Huh? Soon?
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Oh, I'll see you then. You
Their house. And then I go. Oh, I can see that doggy.
Yun na.
all right. She's got the whole everything. I haven't done the whole thing in a long time.
We're seeing this. All the people that
How are you? Very good.
Guys, here you are. Uh-oh. Alright, here you guys go. You should grab a couple, alright? You can grab one, yeah, awesome. You guys have a good night, okay? Bye.
He said get a couple, but then I just got one and then he was like, trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something to eat. I can see that they're watching TV.
There you go. Have fun.
Thank you. I really like Jolly Ranchers. I'm like just into it. Like a bunch. Done. Done. I'm done. What if someone was playing in the bathroom and accidentally got toilet paper all around him and he didn't wear anything, but then he was like, hey guys, and he was like, ah, a mummy! Oh yeah, it's just a costume. And he was like, what? I'm not wearing a costume. And then they're like, oh my goodness, a real mummy! I never thought a real mummy was true. And they all believe in mummy back then. Apple, it says only take 3, please. It says only take 3. Why? I don't know what I should get. Why? 1, 2, 3, 2. Hello? Is anybody there? Okay. It's okay. We can go. It's okay. We can go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. That's a haunted house. Oh, goodness. 2? Mm-hmm. This one.
Yeah, it's not even nice. Zaten cemadı. Masih masih tanda.
It's creepy. That guy is so creepy.
I hope you don't.
How cute.
Oh.
Trick or treat, smell my feet.
Who'd he get?
Yeah, just take one. You're good. I like your costume. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Have fun, guys.
How was it? My trick-or-treating was really fun. We got to pet a lot of dogs, right? My Alu. I don't like pork.
Wow, that's a lot of candy.
Yeah, I have way more than you. Oh my god. You want a trip for an airhead? No. Hi, we're Kunga Tiji. A big shout out to whoever is watching and happy Halloween.